Peace, love, and light. Healing through inspiration. Yeah, I caught myself. I said a lot of times that I'm just talking out loud. I said I probably should be filming this. Just a thought. But I was watching this video and it had this watermelon shirt this guy was wearing. It was his brother wearing it. And I said, I like that. I like the fact that it had a watermelon. I'm sorry if it's not lit well. Let me cut this light on for y'all. It's watermelon. And one of the things was it was like I liked it because I wear it differently. I would like the watermelon. I just wear something for watermelon because I feel like I've said this before. If I haven't, I'll say it again because it just needs to be said. But why people like original inhabitants, Americans, are scared to have watermelon in front of pale people, in front of any foreigner, like because the stereotype that they put out that you can't have watermelon if you're an original inhabitant. Like, there's so many health benefits to watermelon. It's more than you can count. Literally more than you can count. Help you with digestion, help you break down things, help you get energy, help with hair growth, help with skin, help with vision, help with teeth, help with your gums,